In this video, we are going to learn about the parts of a flower. There are many different types of Australian native plants, and each of these different types of plants have flowers that are very, very different. You can see the different flowers in these examples. A flower is the part of a plant that makes the seeds. Australian plants generally use insects or small mammals or wind to help fertilize them. Insects can help flowers make seeds. Insects usually look for pollen and nectar. Every flower has pollen, although some flowers do not have the nectar. The insect's first job is to move the pollen from the male part of one flower to the female part of another flower. Pollinators are attracted to specific flowers through their color, fragrance, and shape. The color or markings of a particular flower help attract and guide insects to them for pollination. For example, bees are often attracted to bright blue and violet colors, while butterflies are attracted to yellow, orange, pink, and red colors, as well as very fragrant plants. The male part of a plant is called the stamen. It is made up of the filament and the anther. It is the pollen-producing part of the plant. The number of stamen is usually the same as the number of petals. The anther is the part of the stamen that produces and contains the pollen. It is usually on top of a long stalk that is called the filament. The female part of the plant is called the pistil or the carpel. The female part of the flower is made up of the stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma is the sticky bulb that is in the center of the flower. It is the part of the flower which receives the pollen grains. The style is the long stalk that the stigma sits on. The ovary is the part of the plant, usually at the bottom of the flower, that has the seeds inside and turns into the fruit we eat. The ovary contains ovules. Little green leaves that cover the outside of the flower bud to protect it before it opens are called sepals.